guys, welcome to my channel. It's Carly and I'm back with another video. So right now it's Saturday and it's like noon, like not even kidding. I've just haven't done anything. Like I'm slacking and now I'm hungry, so I'm like, you know what, let me get up, let me do something with my day. For breakfast I'm gonna be making some eggs, some avocados. I'm literally like so obsessed with avocados lately. I don't know what it is, but every day I just want avocados. Like they're so good. And like for a while I felt like I didn't like avocados. I was like, ew, no, I don't like avocados, I don't like the texture, like ugh. And then something made me like really eat them, and now I'm like, whoa, like I was missing out. Like I'm so sorry for bashing avocados in the past. Like what was I thinking? No, but seriously, I'm obsessed with avocados right now. So yeah, eggs, avocados on an English muffin. I'm using the Bowl and Basket brand. Let me show you. This brand is at ShopRite, but it's light English muffins and they're 90 calories. But obviously you don't have to go to ShopRite to get English muffins. You can go anywhere. So English muffins. Then I'm just using brown eggs. I'm gonna put some everything seasoning on my avocado once I spread it out on my English muffin. But yeah, let's just get started. And yeah. I'm just gonna use some Pam butter spray. My English muffin is done. I'm gonna take some avocado and spread it on there. I have some everything seasoning. I'm so pissed. I literally just dropped my egg on the floor. So now I'm making a new one. I'm so pissed. How did I do that? I'm making a new egg now. Only me. Only me. But I have my English muffin with my everything seasoning, waiting for my new egg. I can't believe it. So now my breakfast is ready. Got my sunny side egg. So I'm gonna eat this breakfast. Let me show you guys like a better view. I really just put it on one of my English muffins and I used the other one to dip in the yolk. It's so good. This is literally one of my favorite things to eat. So for my breakfast, I'm gonna have this with 2 of these little cuties and I'll be all set. This with this is 298 calories. So I'm gonna have this, figure out what in the world I'm gonna do with the rest of my day because I have no idea. And I guess I'll be back for lunch. It's time for lunch. I literally was going around crazy, running errands, going from place to place, and I just got home and I literally don't feel like cooking. So on my way home I picked up something to eat. I'm gonna show you guys. I got my favorite salad. It's a chicken and cheese salad and it's literally so good. So it's literally just grilled chicken, mozzarella cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. That's it. It's so simple, but it's so good. And I think the reason why it's so good is the chicken that they use. And for the mozzarella, I asked them for light cheese, like for light mozzarella. So the thing that's like the most calories in this salad is the cheese. And honestly, sometimes I don't even eat it all. Literally, the salad is huge. It's like bigger than my head. So like I could eat like half of it and I'm good. Sometimes if I'm really hungry, I'll eat the whole thing. I'll probably eat the whole thing today or like majority of it because I'm pretty hungry. But I'm literally obsessed with the salad. I'm gonna tell you guys how many calories it is. I have to calculate it. So the salad is 500 calories, which is about 500 calories. It's a 507, like to be exact. according to my calculations, and I think I calculated it pretty well. But I'm so excited. It's literally my favorite thing ever. The salad is so good. I'm literally so obsessed with it. It's so easy to make, like, at home. Like, I could have definitely made this, but I was just being lazy. Literally just lettuce, cheese, chicken, tomatoes, onions, and a little bit of oil and vinegar dressing, and you're all set. When I order salads, I always ask for the dressing on this side, and I measure out about like 2 tablespoons of the dressing and I put it on. So this one is the oil and vinegar dressing, which is really, really good. Like, I don't know what their recipe is, but their dressing is just bomb. So I use 2 tablespoons of that. Because if you use the whole container of dressing, like, all those calories really add up, because you wouldn't think that there would be so many calories in dressing, but there is. So I usually just measure it out and pour it on to my salad just to make life a little easier. I have no idea what I'm gonna make for dinner. I'm eating lunch and I'm thinking about dinner. Literally, I have no idea. And the thing about this salad is it keeps me so full that I feel like I'm gonna have a really late dinner. I want to get a workout in before dinner, or like after I eat this, and like chill for a little bit. I definitely want to get a workout in because I didn't work out today yet. So I'm about to get ready to work out, and I'm craving a little bit of chocolate, and I want to try one of my new Built Bars, like, because I have so many new flavors. I showed you guys in my vlog. Yeah, in my vlog, some of the new flavors that I got from Built Bar. So shout out to Built Bar because they're so freaking good. So I want to try out this flavor. This is caramel brownie. And I want to see what it's about because the other one was really good. But caramel brownie sounds like immaculate. So I'm about to try it and see. Maybe it'll be one of my new favorites. Here's the Built Bar. I'm about to try it. Caramel brownie. Oh my god, it's so chocolatey. Super chocolatey, and you definitely get that like brownie taste. I don't know how they did that. It's so good. I feel like you could tell, like, just by looking at it, like how chocolatey it is. It's like so rich. It's so good. I've really been loving these Built Bars lately. Like, they're just so good, and they like satisfy my little chocolate craving. They're low calorie. They give me energy. Like, that's all I could ask for in a bar. So I really like this one. And caramel brownie is definitely my favorite one. I said that last time. I know I did. I think it was, what was the last one I had? Cookies and cream, white chocolate cookies and cream. That was the one I had last time. I said that one was my favorite, but like honestly, this one's my favorite, like hands down. Caramel brownie, fire. Tastes like a brownie, it really does. I'm about to get my workout in, take a shower, chill, and then think about dinner. So I just finished my workout. I put some comfy clothes on. How cute is this? Like, let's chill. I'm ready to eat dinner, well, cook dinner. For dinner, I'm making a crunch wrap. I've never made a crunch wrap before. It's my first time, but I feel like I always see like tasty recipes or just recipes on Instagram of crunch wraps, and I'm always like, oh my god, that looks so good. So I'm gonna make my own version of a crunch wrap. It's not like a traditional one, but I'm making my own version, and it's gonna be bomb. I already know it, speaking it into existence. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients that I'm gonna use. For my tortillas, I'm gonna use the Mission Carb Balance, and this is the bigger size. So this one's 110 calories. They have a smaller version that's 70 calories. You could use either or for the crunch wrap, just depends, but I want a big one today. And for the crunch in the middle, people usually use a tostada, so I'm gonna make my own. I'm gonna be using the Mr. Tortilla little tortillas for my tostada. I'm gonna make it in the air fryer, a little tostada, so I'll show you guys how I do that. And so I'll be using 2 of these, one to make a tostada and one to like close the bottom of the crunch wrap. And they're 15 calories and they're 1 net carb. Like, they're so good and they taste really, really good. So Mr. Tortilla, Carb Balance, and I have my ground beef in here. I portion it out because the whole tray is usually 16 ounces, and so this is 8 ounces right here. It's half of the tray. Serving size is 4 ounces, and that's 130 calories. So I'll be making my ground beef. I get this one from Trader Joe's. I'll add a little snippet of the packaging of this ground beef. It's the one from Trader Joe's. I showed it in my grocery haul in one of my vlogs, so you could go back and check it out if you want. But this is really good and it's really low calorie, 130 calories for 4 ounces. So for my cheese, I'll be using my Kraft fat-free cheddar cheese. And this one is 45 calories. And I have some shredded iceberg lettuce. I will be using some avocado. I'll be using some avocado. This one isn't the prettiest, but whatever. So I'm gonna add some pico de gallo to it. I always make pico de gallo and just put it in like a little Tupperware because I love it to just throw it on salads, make like breakfast tacos and just tacos, quesadillas, all of that. So I have my pico de gallo and I believe that's all I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna start off making the meat and the tostada at the same time, just because that's the only part that takes like a little while to cook. Not even, probably like 10-15 minutes. So let's start with that. While the meat cooks, I'm gonna take my little tortilla and spray it. I sprayed it and I'm just gonna add it into the air fryer. Now my meat is all done and my tostada is just came out of the air fryer. This is how it looks. Nice and crispy. I literally just put it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes. Now that I got my meat in my bowl, I'm gonna wash this so that I could cook the supreme wrap inside of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my supreme wrap. I'm gonna start off with putting meat in the middle. Don't add too much meat because I don't want to overstuff it. That is 4 grams of ground beef. Then I have 28 grams of my cheddar cheese. Then I add my tostada. Actually gonna add some avocado on top of the tostada. So this is 25 grams of avocado right on top. Now I'm gonna add a handful of lettuce. Last but not least, some pico de gallo. This thing is huge. Now I'm just gonna add one of the little tortillas and put it on top. Then we just gotta fold it. This is the hardest part. Now that I folded it, this is our crunch wrap, and you want to make sure you just keep your hand on top because it unfolds very easily. I'm going to add some oil, and you're going to put it down with the folded side down first. Now it's time to flip. Guys, I think my crunch wrap is just about done. Okay, here is my crunch wrap. It's so hot. I can't wait to taste this. So now it's time for me to taste this. It looks so freaking good. It's so hot. And it's literally so cheesy. Oh my god. Alright, taste test. That's so freaking good. let me just say this crunchwrap is absolutely like the best thing I've had in so long. And guess how many calories it is? It's literally 373 calories, and it's huge and it's filling, and it tastes amazing. Like, it's so freaking good. You have to make this. I'm so happy I like decided to try out the recipe. I was kind of skeptical, but I'm so happy that I did it because it's literally amazing. Like, it's so good. 373 calories, like, you cannot beat that at all. And if you want, you could have like a side of veggies, a side salad. Since I had salad for lunch, I didn't want to do a side salad, but like, I'm not that hungry. Like, this is honestly enough for me today. And it's huge. Like, this thing is like literally huge. And it's so good. Cheesy. Everything about it is just so good. Do you hear that? Who says that eating at a calorie deficit has to be boring? Like, you could still have a crunch wrap and live your life. I'm gonna finish up my dinner, and I think I want some hot chocolate tonight, so I'm gonna make some of that later and sit down and do my little calorie breakdown with you guys. I'm gonna end my night off with some hot chocolate. This is the Swiss Miss reduced calorie, and it's 40 calories. I also showed this in my grocery haul, so if you want, you can check it out, but this is really good. Hey guys, so I'm enjoying my hot chocolate right now, eating my little cookie. So good. I recommend these cookies from Trader Joe's. They're really, really good. And these cookies pair very nicely with some hot chocolate. So this hot chocolate was 60 calories, I believe, and the cookies 45 calories, so that's not bad at all. How cute is this mug? One of my students got it for me. I was like, my heart. Let me put this down so I can talk to y'all. So, calorie breakdown. So I had 1,414 calories for the whole day. I will put my macros on the screen and my calorie breakdown also on the screen for you guys. I feel like it was a pretty well-balanced day. I had some sweets, I had some savory stuff, I had some greens. Like, I feel like I had a little bit of everything, and I feel like this just goes to show you that eating at a calorie deficit isn't always boring. Like, you could spice it up. You could just create little meals, or just, you know, just play with things, play around with different foods, different brands to see what calories work for you. I feel like it's fun. It's like a little game. It's like a little, I don't know. It's just really fun. I really like doing it. So, yeah. My favorite meal of the day was definitely that crunch wrap. That crunch wrap was everything. Literally, like, it was so good. If you guys are seeing this, it'll probably be after the holidays, so I hope you had a great holiday and we are ready for 2021. What are your goals for 2021? My goal is consistency, like literally just straight consistency with everything I do, with YouTube, with working out, with my weight loss, everything. Like, consistency is just gonna be key for me for 2021. So let me know down below what your goals are for 2021, and let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, like, press that subscribe button, join the family. You know I would love to have you. So that is the end of my video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.